Hi guys, welcome to SAP In this tutorial, I am going to explain what is a view and how to create a view. What is a view? View is an ABAP dictionary component. It is used to get the data from more than one database table. Generally, we are working with application tables. Application tables contains application data. So application data is distributed more than one database table. Therefore, to get this application data, we are generally working with views. We need to go with views. Okay, before going to create view, let me try to explain few things. These are the very basic things. Say for example, this is an organization. We all know that every organization consists of different plants such as P1, P2 and P3 and also P4. Say for example, we have 4 plants in your organization such as P1, P2, P3 and P4. Material can be present in any plant. Material can be present in many plants. Here, say for example, our material M1 is present in plant P1 at storage location S1. Generally, we don't dump our materials directly into the plants. We have particular storage locations in your plants, so we will store our materials in our plants at particular storage locations. Say for example, S1 is the storage location which is present in the plant P1 and S2 is another storage location which is also present in the same plant P1. Now our material M1 is present in plant P1 at storage location S1 with quantity 40 kgs. Say for example 40 kgs. And also M1 is present in plant P1 at storage location S2 with quantity 50 kgs. Likewise, we have another plant that is P2. P2 also consists of some of the storage locations such as S1, S2 and S3. And the material M1 is present in the another plant that is P2. Our material M1 can be present in many plants such as P1, P2, P3, P4. Now our material M1 is present in the plant P2 at storage location S1 with quantity, for example, 35 kgs, and at storage location S2 with quantity 70 kgs. At S3 we have quantity 60 kgs. Likewise, our material M1 is present in the plant P3 at storage location S1 and S2 with quantities 50 and 60 kgs. And also we have another plant. Our material M1 is present in the plant P4 at storage location S1 with quantity 80 kgs. Yeah. This is a simple example. Our material M1 is present in many plants with some quantities at particular storage locations. Okay, now my question is, who will maintain this plant, material and storage location data? Who will maintain this material, plant and storage location data? Standard or built-in database tables are available in SAP. Our standard and our built-in database tables will be maintains this material master data, plant data and also storage location data. What are those standard or built-in database tables? Let me show you something. MARA is one of the database tables. It belongs to material management department. It contains material master data. And MARC is another database table which is also contains plant data. And MARD is also another standard database table which contains storage location data. And MAKT is another database table which contains material descriptions. We have so many database tables. We have thousands of database tables, but I am trying to list out some of the database tables. Just try to remember all these database tables, and also I will try to list out some of the fields of these database tables. If you are familiar with these fields, just you can easily learn ABAP and you can easily work with ABAP. And this standard database table MARA will maintain material master data. Now I will try to show you one by one. Firstly I'm going with MARA. Later on I will show you these standard database tables. First of all I'm going with MARA. MARA is a database table which contains material master data. It contains more than 200 fields, but I am trying to list out some of the fields here. MATNR is the field of MARA, that is material number. Every material can be identified with a particular material number. And another field is MTART. MTART is nothing but material type. And MBRSH is another field that is nothing but industry sector. MATKL is another field that is material group. MAINS means unit of measurement. Okay, just try to remember all these 5 fields. Actually, it contains more than 200 fields, but I am trying to list out some of the important fields. Just try to remember it. And what about this material number, material type, and industry sector? Observe here, material number is useful for the identification of a material. Say for example, if you take a pen can be identified by a particular material number. And what about the material type of a pen? Material type is nothing but either finished product or raw material. Does it finished product or raw material? Pen is a finished product. It's not a raw material. So the material type of a pen is finished product. And what about this industry sector? Industry sector means, does it plastic or steel? Pen is a plastic, right? And what about this material group? Material group in the sense, does it wood or stationery? Pen is a stationery product, right? So the material group is stationery. It's not a wood. And what about this unit of measurement? Whether it is kgs or liters or pieces, pen can be measured with the help of pieces, not kgs and liters. So these are some of the fields of MARA database table. And let me show you what is MARA and what are the fields available in MARA. This MARA is a database table which is present in ABAP dictionary components. Just let me show you. Log into SAP ABAP system. Just click on log on. And I will show you right now. Just go with ABAP dictionary. S11 is the transaction code for the ABAP dictionary components. And here, this is the database table. Choose this radio button database table. And what is our standard database table? MARA is the standard database table. Provide the database table name here and click on display button. Now you are able to display the fields of MARA database table. Observe here, it contains more than 200 fields. It depends upon database. This is the database table MARA. It contains material master data. And how many fields are available? Here the fields are available in 200, more than 200 fields are available. More than 200 fields are available. Just all these are the fields. All these are the fields of standard database table. I have given some of the fields in the presentation. Just let me show you. MATNR is the field which is nothing but material number, and MTR is another field that is nothing but material type, whether it is finished product or raw material. MBRH is the industry sector, and MATKL is another field that is material group, and MAINS is the unit of measurement. Just I have shown you these 5 fields. As per customer requirements, you have to work with remaining fields. And these are the 5 fields I have shown you: material number, material type, industry sector, material group, and unit of measurement. This is about Mara and the fields of Mara. And all these are the fields of Mara. You can view all these fields. As per customer requirements, we can work with all these fields. But try to remember some of the fields from this database table, and just you can go back. In short, Mara contains material master data, and it contains some of the fields here. Just go back. And now I want to show you some of the database tables here. And MERC is another database table which contains plant data for the material, and also it contains more than 200 fields. It depends upon database only. And what are the fields available here? MATN means already you are familiar with this one, material number, and WERKS means plant. I have shown you in the diagram there are 4 plants: P1, P2, P3, P4. Those plants can be identified with the help of this field WERKS. And one more field is EKGRP. It's nothing but purchasing group. Purchasing group has authority to purchase the raw materials and store the raw materials in the store locations. EKGRP is nothing but purchasing group. And MINBE, this is another field. It represents reorder level. And what do you mean by reorder level? I think you have idea on this. And BSTMI, what do you mean by this? BSTMI in the sense minimum order quantity. Say for example, in your plant, if your reorder level is 400 but your quantity is 260, then what will you do now? You have to reorder. If it reaches to minimum order quantity, you have to reorder. Otherwise, production will be stopped. So you have to be very careful with this reorder level and minimum order quantity. When it reaches to minimum order quantity, just you have to reorder it. Otherwise, production will be slows down and business will get slows down. So this is very important thing. And here these are some of the fields from your database table, and it contains plant data, and I will show you all these fields from MERC. Just provide the database table name here, MERC, and click on display button, and now you are able to display the fields of MERC database table. MERC is a database table. It contains plant data for material. It also contains more than 200 fields. Here it contains 246 fields. And what are the fields available here? Just MATNR. MATNR is nothing but material number, and WERKS is nothing but plant. And also some of the fields are available here. EKGRP is nothing but purchasing group. And what about this reorder level and minimum order quantity? Yeah, these are some of the fields. Just I am trying to show you. Min B and BMS. reorder point, and minimum lot size. These are the some of the fields from this MERG. There are so many table fields, but I am trying to list out some of the fields here. Just you have to familiar with all these fields: material number, plant, and purchasing group. Just go back. Now I will try to show you some of the fields regarding to MARD database table. MARD is a database table which displays the storage location data, which contains the storage location data, and it also contains some of the fields. The fields are MATNR. MATNR is nothing but material number. WRKS is nothing but plant. LGOT is the storage location, and LABST is the quantity. This material number is present in plant, say for example P1, at storage location S1 with quantity 40 kgs. These are the fields available. Say for example this material M1 is present in plant P1 at storage location S1 with quantity 40 kgs. Likewise, you can display the fields and you can display the values of these fields of MARD database table. Let me show you what are the fields available in MARD. Provide the MARD database table. This is a standard database table. So click on display button, and what are the fields available here? This is MARD. It contains storage location data. And what are the fields available here? MATNR, material number, WRKS is a plant, and LGORT and LABST are the fields available. Sorry, LGORT is the storage location and LABST is the quantity. So these are the some of the fields I am trying to show you here. Just you can work with all these fields and you will get more and clear idea. And now I am going to show you. Just go back. Now I am going to show you one more database table, that is MAKT. MAKT contains material descriptions. Material descriptions in the sense it contains some of the fields, material number, and also SPRAS language. MAKTX means material descriptions. Material descriptions in the sense it's available in which language. Actually, these materials can be available more than 23 languages. Here, this material is described by which language? That is achieved with the help of SPRAS field. MAKT is a database table which contains material descriptions. The fields of these database tables are MATNR, SPRAS, and MAKTX. It will display the in which language it is available. Just let me show you them. MAKT is the database table. Just click on display button, and this contains only 5 fields. Here material number, SPRAS, and MAKTX. These are the fields available. Just try to remember these fields. Frequently we will work with these fields. And yes, these are the about standard database tables: MARA, MARC, and MARD, and also MAKT. Just let me show you. Yeah, these are about standard database tables: MARD, MARC, and MAKT, as well as MARA. Now coming to the point, what is a view? I have discussed already. View is used to get the application data more than one database table. Generally, we are working with application data. Application data is distributed in more than one database table. Therefore, to get this application data, we need to go with views. There are 4 types of views. The first one is database view, and the second one is projection view, maintenance view, and the fourth one is help view. Now in the next session, just I will show you how to create this view and how to go with the database view and projection view and maintenance view and help view. And you will be more clear once I have shown you this creation of views. Just one by one I will show you what is database view and how to create it, and what is projection view, how to create it. One by one I will show you. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can post your comments, and to watch more videos you can subscribe our YouTube channel. And just if you have any queries, please contact us and we will always help you. Thank you very much once again.